Okay, so there's something pretty interesting going on with the upcoming DJI Mic 3, and we need to talk about it, but before we jump into that, let's rewind a bit. Remember the original DJI mic? That thing was a game changer. Super compact, easy to use, and honestly a lifesaver for creators who wanted solid audio without carrying a bunch of gear. That built-in recording feature? Clutch. Then came the DJI Mic 2, and it took things up a notch. 32-bit float recording, way better noise cancellation. It fixed a lot of stuff people had issues with, but it wasn't perfect. Some folks ran into problems using third-party lav mics, especially the ones that needed a bit more juice than the transmitter could handle. Now, why am I bringing that up? Well, get this. Hakasushi posted a photo on X, and yeah, there's no lav mic input on the Mic 3 transmitter. Yep, no port. You can't plug in an external lav mic. That's kind of a big deal. A lot of professionals rely on lav mics for cleaner or more discreet audio. Without that option, you're stuck using only the built-in mic, which, let's be honest, isn't always ideal. From what we can tell, there's a mic grill on top, so the transmitter itself is doing all the recording. The side has your power pairing button and what looks like a manual link button for syncing with the receiver. Jasper Ellens and Igor Bogdanov had already shown us the design from all angles, but nobody really caught the missing lav input until Hakasushi pointed it out. As for specs, not much yet, apart from the dimensions, 14 by 28 by 29 millimeters. That's all we've got for now. So yeah, the DJI Mic 3 might be going all in on simplicity, but at the cost of flexibility. Anyway, if you want more updates as they come in, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, catch you in the next one. Peace.